Hi. Okay, so this is a quick unboxing and not a review, but a kind of a review. This is the Nitecore VCL10, which is a charger and a backup light. What it has inside, it has internal battery, so in case of emergency you can use it as a light source. And it also have a magnetic case, so you can stick it to metal. It also has two kinds of lights. One is white and one is red, and also it has ability to break a glass, which means the window in case of emergency, if you need to go out of the car and you are stuck, so you can use this part at the end, which is a glass breaking material. It's a very strong material and very sharp, so you can push it toward the glass and it will break out. And what also special about it is that it is a quick charge, Qualcomm quick charge 3, so you can use very fast charging to the new cell phones in the market. So let's open it. Let's see with what it is coming. So there is, as usual in Nitecore, some warranty manual, stuff like that. Doesn't really interesting. And the charger itself. So if you're able to see, this part of metal is a glass breaker part, and also you can open it like this in order to adjust the angle of the LED. Let's check if it comes charge on charge. Probably it is charged a little bit, and that's basically all. By the way, the charging current is up to 2.5 amps, which is a lot, and it is written here that the DC is input 12 to 18 volts and the output is 5 volt 2.4 amp, or quick charge 3, which is DC 3.6 to 12 volt, also at 2.4 amp, which means that it has ability to get to 30 watt charge, which is a lot. Okay, so how do I activate the light? Very simple. You have a push button at the top of it. So it is working, and the second press is red blinking. By the way, something very special that it has a detector, so if you are sticking it on a metal and a car going toward it, so it should change to fast blinking. This is, I really don't know how they did it. Let's say this is the car. No, probably it needs to detect it somehow. I don't really know. Let's try to get it to the fast blinking. Never mind, believe me that it is working. Let's maybe try something that is coming from far. Okay, so I don't really know how it should detect the radar. I don't know, but they did something, some radar inside, so when you stick it and a car is going toward the light, so it is changing from slow blinking to very fast blinking. That's all. Hope you enjoyed. This is a very good product, like all Nitecore product. My only the one thing that I think that would turn this product to my major charging in car is if they had 2 ports for charging and not only one. So hopefully they will understand that 2-port charging with the same parameter is much better product than this one. But overall, the emergency is the most important part. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye bye.